Tagalog of Tagalog of house. Tagalog of door. Anong pento?
Siyempre, islang.
Tagalog of maybe the
Medicine.
medicine.
Pento.
Medicine.
Tagalog of medicine.
Gamot.
Tagalog of balloon. Anong pump? Tagalog of
Ang pumuto. Lobo.
Lobo.
Very good.
Tagalog
Shoes?
shoes.
Patong. Very good.
Ganito ba? Tagalog of chicken. Pun. Chicken is manok.
Manok.
At Tagalog of horse.
First daw yung horse. Okay.
Tagalog
Tagalog ng
of
horse.
head. Head. Tagalog of nose. Ilong. Eyebrow. Eyebrow. Where's your eyebrow? What's the Tagalog of eyebrow? Ano daw?
King.
Kilay. What's the Tagalog of stomach? Ha? Sakit.
Sakit yung stomach.
Saan? Tagalog of stomach is chan. What is the Tagalog of ears?
Moving.
Is tenga.
Hindi gumagalaw nga naman eh.
What is the Tagalog of mouth? Ay, lips.
Labi.
Tagalog of mouth. Lips is labi. Mouth is big.
Bibig.
Tagalog of teeth. Ang ganang maisip kayo naman magtanong.
Bali sa
Tagalog of eyes.
Ano?
Ma?
Mata. Mata. Bali sa Tagalog of booger. Ha? Kulangot.
Lakot. Alam niya, di ba? Galing ah.